Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I haven't been on for a while. I've been really busy, but I'm coming to finish off my last stuffing for January in my savings challenges. I have also put on my community tab a message, so I was wondering if you can pop over there and have a read of it. Also show some love and support to the budgeters that I mentioned. I believe I have £160. I've got £20 in coins, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So that's £160 I have here to stuff today. I will have a look and see how much I've got in my rollover. I've got 5, 2, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've got £175 here. Let's see what we can stuff with that. Great, I'll start with this one because this is my savings challenges from last year. I'm going to start with the 3 months challenge. I'll get this, is it this colour? This colour. I'm going to stuff £45 in today. That's 20, 40, 45. That's 245. And I will start putting the coins in the jar. £5 in there. Then I have my Sagittarius challenge. And I'm going to put £10. I'll colour some stars in today with a pink. That's £10. Hope you're all doing well. I had a good weekend. This is my luck of the draw. And I use cards for this one. The cards out. See what we've got here. Got a joker. Wow, got a joker at last. Joker is £10. Great. Oops. I'm gonna have to fix this box. I'll have to sellotape it up. I'll leave that out. I can repair it. £10 for the joker, and I will just put it here. Joker 10. And this goes into the pouch because we don't use it again. I'll fix that box later on. And now for my favorite, one of my favorites, but this one is top list. I will take these coins and put them into the jar as I'm here now. Because the binder's getting really weighty and bulky with all these coins. Gentle does it. Right, I'm using the green and the orange. Let's get the orange and green out. Oh, 5 and 1. So let's do. So that was £6. Wow, 6 and 5, that's 11. It's 11. So that's £11. Great. Put that in there and put this away. And I will use one dice. I'll use the orange for roll the dice, double the savings challenge. That's 3. I did say if I get 6, I will only roll it once. But if I get less than 6, I will roll it twice. So that's 3, and double that, that will be 6. That was 6. So 6 and 10. So that's 16. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Great. Okay, that one's done. Let's see how much money we've got left. Got 20, 40, 50, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 4, 6, 7, 77 we've got here. And I'm going to finish my January one today. Let's see if we can change up some money. And I will leave my save 2023 until I finish the rest of them. So let's do the January. I will just colour these in the middle. They're £5 each, so it's £15. I know that's all done now. I'll finish colour them off camera. That's £15 and that's finished. And that should have 65. Great, all finished. And I'll put February one in there. And I'll move on to the little calf. which I will save £200, and I will put, let's have a look, I'll put 15 in there. That's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, and I'll put that in a jar and I'll mark it off. Great. And you know what, I'm going to make a note of it on the back. £15 in coins, so I know. Great. Yep. And then I have here the 52-week challenge, and I will put £10 in there. Let's see if I've got some change. 15, 20. I'll put £10 in there. £10. So let's see, I've got 20, 30, 35, 37 for my save 2023. Let's see if I've got a 37 or the nearest. Here's a 37. I've been having really good luck with this one. I will colour it with this. I'll sort these coins out and put them in a jar. Right, so January stuffing is all finished. What a relief. So once again, thank you so much for popping on and watching. Really, really grateful for that, and hope to see you soon. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.